Hey creative friends, it's Kamela here from Creative Moms Decant. So I just got off a live. I created this adorable t-shirt using Hobby Lobby's Paper Studio vinyl that I got on clearance. That was reflective vinyl and I really love it. I want to add a little flower design to this t-shirt and I'm going to use the glitter iron-on. So let's get started. So yesterday at my local Hobby Lobby, I found vinyl for sale. There's many people that were saying that their vinyl was on sale, and there was mixed reviews, at least that I read on social media, whether it was Cricut vinyl or what it was. What I found at mine was Paper Studio vinyl, all 50% off, even what was marked. So this roll of vinyl, which is gorgeous. I mean, the camera is not picking that up. It has some really wild, unique colors, but I really like it. So this one was marked, it was on the plastic, but like $4.24, and I got it 50% off. And so was my holographic roll, or no, reflective. I keep wanting to say holographic, but it was reflective vinyl. So the problem I had with the reflective vinyl is it did not want to stick to my mat, which is plenty sticky. It's a brand new mat. So let's see about this one. I'm going to flip to my design space real quick and take a look at my image, and it's just the top right corner. That's what I wanted to see. And we need to remove tape here. I have both these Westcott titanium scissors and Cricut scissors. And I like them both. However, if I was going to buy one, I would buy these titanium ones. They do not come with a cover, but they are a really sharp, nice point. Good scissors. All right. You don't want the tape left on here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this, and I just need to use a corner, and it looks like I'm going to use this corner over here. So this is going to stick at least on the reverse side. I am guessing, just for filming purposes, I keep every single scrap. And I'm toying with a new idea on how to keep vinyl scraps. So let me know in the comments if you keep vinyl scraps and how you keep them, or if you're looking for a new way to keep vinyl scraps. So this seems like it's going to stick down just fine. Yeah, for glitter vinyl especially, it sticks down just fine. So I'm not sure why the reflective vinyl would not stick, but it would not stick to the mat. You can catch the replay from the live and check that out, but it was crazy. It would not stick. And this is from a ribbon. And I really am going to be haunted from this Marnie Girl ribbon for the rest of my life. Worse than glitter. Thank you, fingernail. All right, let's put this in the machine and get this cut. Remember, when we're cutting iron-on, we cut in mirror, right? So this flower design wouldn't really matter, but I do want to cut it in mirror. I'm going to go ahead and turn my easy press on and read my directions. For glitter, it's 270, and it's a warm peel, 270 to 330. So I'm going to go 300 temperature. And I will leave the time the same. Wasn't it there? Did I say the time? I think the time's up above. Yep, 25 to 30 seconds. So good to go. All right, I'm going to slide my easy press out of my way here. The nice thing about doing this part of the t-shirt is lining it up is strictly going to be an eyeball situation. So I'm just going to use my eyes to decide where I want it. I know I want it over the flower, and that's basically what I know. But I do not have to worry about anything except a flat surface. So of course, if you have wrinkles in your shirt, it will crease and be a hot mess. We won't talk to my husband about that. I'm totally blaming the one time I did that on him because he rushed me. I really wanted to wear a shirt out, in typical crafter, I never do anything for myself. And I did it in a hurry and anyway. Okay, this is done, so we can pull it out and see how the glitter vinyl iron-on weeds. Side note, if you've never watched me before, I am the most, like, fabulous. Not really. I am the worst weeder, so don't judge my weeding skills too hard. But this is weeding like nothing. Like, better than, in my opinion, it's better than Cricut's iron-on HTV. I gotta remember what I did for a design here. And it's just as good as Caesar's. So, either, any of the choices are fine. I would say, I mean, my opinion on using two specialty vinyls is I really need to go look at my finances and make a run back to Hobby Lobby. I wonder if my father-in-law happens to need something. Maybe I should go visit him again. That's where I go to Hobby Lobby. And come on now, I spoke too soon. Mostly I got in a hurry, and I do that. That is, what have I done here? Okay, I'm guessing I'm going to have to do a repair job. No, I'm not. I just don't know my design. Weird. Okay, I don't know my design. I literally went on to Design Space and searched. I searched wildflower, and I didn't find anything I liked, so then I just searched flower, and that's where I got this image. I really could not tell you if it is an Access image or not, but what I can tell you is Access is worth every penny. I have subscribed to it every day since I got my machine, my first machine, and I continue to today. Even though I do a lot of designing through Procreate, I love Cricut Design Space Access. It's well worth it. Okay, so this is me being a weeding person who's just not very good and is just now realizing that I picked all of these itty bitty circles to weed out today. So I'm going to give your eyes a break and hit pause and finish my weeding and grab my tweezers so that I can get this easier, and then we will get this ironed on. Okay, so quite normal for glitter HTV. It doesn't like to stick to its transfer paper, and this really did not. However, it was easy to work with, and it just made these little bitty tabs real hard because they wanted to push under, and then I had to get those out, but no big deal really. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hand place these items, and then I'll put this cover back on. Alright, so I'm going to place my transfer sheet back on top, and then I definitely want to protect anything that's already ironed on as well. So I'm going to grab butcher paper here in a double layer, and I'm going to put it on my t-shirt anywhere that the layer that's already down is at. I'm also going to grab another piece of transfer tape that I found and put it down. Alright, so that's great. We are ready to press this on, and it's medium pressure. I'm knocking stuff around. I know I'm crazy. And then when I turn it around, I forget which button to push. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I think I'm going to have a drink of tea now. I'll see you back when this is done. Alright, 3, 2, and we'll do a check, but remembering that this is it's going to come right off, I can tell. So it's a warm peel, and that was really hot, but it's coming right off. So that's good. Of course it's going to come right off because that was kind of rough, right? I'm going to go ahead and let this cool just a little and give it one more press. All right, so now we are supposed to inside it out and give it a press on this side. Actually, both of the materials, the glitter vinyl and or the reflective vinyl and the glitter vinyl both say to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Thank you so much for joining today, friends. Isn't this super cute? That the wildflower is done in Hobby Lobby's Paper Studio reflective vinyl, and then this one, I'm mirrored here, the glitter is Paper Studio from Hobby Lobby's glitter vinyl. Both worked extremely well. The only issue I had was sticking the reflective vinyl to a mat. Let me know in the comments if that's normal. I don't know that I've ever tried reflective vinyl before. It's a super cute t-shirt. I had a lot of fun with you today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a joyful day. Bye!